Sia and Sai and more. This is my family. Meet my brother Sai. Then I'm Sia. Two inventor cute. Set free. In the Philippines. Like the video, subscribe, get notified.
Good morning mga mamshis! Good morning pa bebe boy, drinking milk? Yeah, good morning! Good morning! Take a moment. Good morning, Milan. Good morning, Sai. How are you today? How are you today?
We're going to make my chicken nuggets because it's my favorite.
I'll show you how to cook homemade chicken nuggets recipe for my kids. My kids love this. I highly recommended it. So nutritious and guaranteed no preservatives.
We're going to make nuggets first. We need a cup of meat, a pepper. I don't know this.
Paprika, salt and soy sauce, breadcrumbs, minced garlic. Now we're ready to mix everything. Chicken in the bowl. Put the garlic, paprika, salt, soy sauce, pepper, the bread that we mince, mix it well with our hand. After that, we need to put oil and try to mix it well with hands until it's smooth. So it will combine all the ingredients. After that, we need to flat the chicken dough in the desired thick. We use a knife to flatten the surface and straight the edges, so it's easy to cut. This is the way I cut my chicken nuggets. I start lengthwise, then crosswise. Then we can remove the excess meat that is not according to our chicken nugget shape. Now we can get the pieces and separate it with each other and put it in one plate. Now we need to do the egg mixture for our breadings. All we need to do is egg, salt and pepper, and tablespoon of milk. Dip the chicken into the egg mixture, then after in the breadcrumbs. This is all the chicken that I breaded, and it's ready to fry. See, I love to dip this in banana ketchup.
Yummy!